Hi everyone, welcome back to Great DIY Do It Yourself. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for an instant TIN number in Uganda through Uganda Revenue Authority portal. If you're applying for a job, opening a bank account, registering a business, bidding for government contracts, or simply need to comply with tax requirements, having a TIN is essential. The good news is that URA now allows eligible individuals to obtain a TIN instantly online without visiting URA office. Let's get started. First, we're going to search for URA portal and choose Uganda Revenue Authority. And then you access the portal, you go to domestic taxes, then you click on get a TIN. Also click on instant TIN application. And then you scroll and look for click to apply for an instant TIN. It is going to load, and yeah, here you. So here you have to choose applicant category. My screen is like this because I've ever applied for a TIN. It already has information. So normally first you put in your identification number, that is your NIN. Then you put in your date of birth. After that, it will load all this information automatically. And another thing you'll have to fill in would be whether you are doing a registered business, employment, or informal business. And then you put in your phone number. On the phone number, you'll make sure that you put in according to this format. You put in your phone number, but you don't put a 0 there. Then after that, you put in your email address, and then you select your district. The trick here is that as you fill, you have to first follow the order of this. You first put in your district, and then put in your county or municipality, put in your sub-county, put in your parish, and then lastly, your village. If you put in like your district and jump and go to the village, the system will refuse. So that is the trick when you are filling this part of address and contact details. So once you've finished putting all of this information there, you're going to tap here on recapture, and confirm that you are not a robot. After that, you'd submit your application. You tap on submit application. Yeah, and congratulations, you'll be having your TIN. Your TIN will be sent to your email address, the one which you've put here, and you'll go to your email address, check in your inbox, and you'll find the TIN ready for you. Otherwise, congratulations. And another reminder, in case you forget your TIN number or where you wrote it, you can always go to your email and check in your inbox or search TIN. And when you search, it will bring you that message where they sent you the TIN, and you always retrieve it like that. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I urge you to like, subscribe, comment in case you have a query or you have a question or you have an idea on which video we should make next. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.